Hi, my name's Lewis. I'm the developer of the PoSHue PowerShell module. Philips recently made available their remote API, which allows owners of Hue products to trust third-party web applications to control their lights. In this video, I'll explain how to obtain an access token that you can use to control your Philips Hue lights using the PoSHue module from any internet-connected device capable of running PowerShell. In order to permit your copy of the PoSHue PowerShell module to access your Hue bridge and control your Hue device over the internet, you must tell Philips that you trust the module. You do this with an access token. To obtain an access token, you'll need to approve the PoSHue module to have access to your bridge. Once you've done that, you'll be able to provide the access token when using PoSHue and control your lights from any internet-connected device that runs PowerShell. To get started, open a browser and navigate to www.lewisroberts.com/PoSHue. Feel free to read the information on the site to get more background. In order to start the process of creating an access token, click the Get Access Token button. This button is merely a redirection to another page that tells Philips which application is requesting the token. Now you'll authenticate with the Meet Hue website using whatever method you would normally use. I've linked my Google account to the Philips Hue account, so I click the Google sign in button and provide my credentials. Once signed in, I'm asked to grant permission for PoSHue to be able to control my lights, groups and sensors. Clicking yes performs an exchange of data between my website and Philips, and an access token is generated. It's an important point to note that I don't actually have access to your access token. This is your access token, and I don't store it or record it in any way. The token itself is linked to the PoSHue application by name, so if you want to disable the token, visit the apps section of the Meet Hue website and then just click the deactivate button. There's a little more information in the Don't Panic Mr. Mannering section of the token page that you get redirected to. Once we have an access token, we can copy it using the buttons provided, and then we can return to the PoSHue module where we'll store it in a string variable, which we can then use when we're instantiating a Hue bridge object by providing the access token and an API key. The API key is either a whitelist or username entry that already exists on your bridge. If you need to generate a whitelist or username entry or API key, then you can just use the PoSHue module to do exactly that whilst you're on your local area network. For the rest of the video, I'll demonstrate use of the remote access token with the Hue bridge and Hue light classes that are included in the PoSHue module. You don't have to generate a new token every time you want to use the PoSHue module to control your Hue lights. The token will last and be valid for a while yet, so carry on using the token until such time as you need to generate another one. Unfortunately, it's a little bit difficult to predict when the token will expire because the information provided by the remote API at this stage is a little bit ambiguous. I hope the video was useful. Thanks for watching.